anyways, today I'm here alone because I'm going to be doing my room tour. It has been a while since I have done this, and my room has definitely changed quite a bit, I think. Well, not that much, but just a little. So yeah, let's get started. Walk in is this little area right here. It's just, I have this mirror and then absolutely nothing else because I have like no wall decor, but I used up all my CDs here and the wall is totally ruined from that. But yeah, so then here's this wall and there's absolutely nothing on it, but there's this light switch that controls that outlet over there. I don't know why, what the point of, like, I don't know why it doesn't control this one. Weird. But then I have my lamp. And then there's literally nothing else except for a thumbtack. I don't know why. Now right here is my hideous dresser that my mom's forced me to have because it's been like passed down in the family or something. I don't want it. And it's like really ugly and it's been painted like so many times. The paint is chipping, but she said she'll paint it black for me and get new knobs. So that was like 4 years ago. Hopefully that'll actually happen one day. Then I have this lamp that's also like really gross and ugly, and it has red ribbon in it from Christmas because I just like never changed the ribbon back. And I hate this lamp and I really want a new one, or like I'm about to just get rid of it until I get a new one. I don't know, I still have it. And then here's my fish. I just cleaned this tank recently, so it's actually like nice and like full and like has cute stuff in it, and it's not dirty with mold on the side because I forget to clean my fish tank all the time, and I honestly don't even remember what my fish's name is. So here's my bed, and my bed is never made because I don't really need to make it because it's like a loft bed and then it's just so much work to make it, and it's just, there's no point. But I have this little Harry Styles sticker on it. I don't know why, but I don't really want to throw it away because it's Harry Styles. And I have this little blue thing right here that like hangs on the side of my bed, and this is where I put like my drinks at night. And it has like the Flagstaff book in it. I don't know why. And then like a bunch of random stuff like some Hershey's like M&M things, but they're Hershey toilet paper for when I have stuffy nose. One of these things, ew, and I just have like a bunch of stuff. I sometimes keep snacks in here, like oh yeah, some peanut butter crackers, you know, in case I get hungry at night. Then under my bed I have my couch, and I have these little twinkle lights, but they like keep running out. So then I have this little wall decal that says "Just Dance" with a little dancer on it, and it just like matches the theme of my room, and it's pretty cute. And then I have a throw blanket and this pillow, but I'm gonna get new pillows for my couch eventually, and then some pandas because I'm too lazy to put them away, so I just put them nicely on my couch. And then back over here I have this like little area. So here is this like this thing I keep my remotes in, this compartment. I have a fun dip in here, but I don't know why it's not with the rest of my fun dip, so I'm gonna put it there. And then right here I keep my drinks when I'm like, you know, drinking. And then I have this little washcloth, and you might be wondering why I keep a washcloth in here, and that's because every morning I have cereal for breakfast. I spill my milk on me, so I keep a little washcloth here just so I can like, where's the bib?
That's such a you thing to do.
Well, because then it like it dries, but it like you can still see like the stain from the milk because it's not water, so it doesn't like completely go away. And then I have the maid's runner here. Ugh. And then this is my favorite part of my room because this is where I keep all my snacks. So I have some Sour Patch Kids, I have some pretzels, Blue Doritos, of course, some Sweetheart Hearts, some Nerds, those good, really good sugar cookies, like with the frosting, some Fun Dip, and then some sour gummy worms. So yeah, that's my favorite part. Oh, and also some Nerds. Oh, did I already say that? Right here I have my little makeup carrier thing, which is really helpful because like I can just, when I go to recital, so I can just like bring all my makeup, and it folds up nicely except for I'm gonna have to take some of it out, but like all the makeup I like want to bring, I can bring a lot of more makeup. So like that's really fun, and then it's just like all organized right here. Also behind my couch I have this sign because this is the sign Ben made me for homecoming. I don't know what to do with it, but I feel bad if I throw it away, so I just keep it behind my couch. It's kind of an inside joke because like he calls me away all the time. So then over on this side of my couch I keep Piper's blankets because she sleeps on my couch at night and she likes to use the blankets, so I put them on the couch for her every night, but I keep them there when it's not night. And then I have my backpack and all my like binders and folders and stuff right here, and then there's this little outlet that's controlled by that thing. So and I have an extension cord plugged into it because it's very smart because I can charge my phone on my bed. So over here is my window, and I just have these blinds, and I actually didn't have blinds for like a solid like year because I lost privileges to have blinds because I kept ripping them out of the wall on accident. So my mom got me the ones that like you push and go like this instead of like use the string because I would pull the string too hard and the whole thing would come down. So after a year I finally got to have blinds again. And then I keep this little makeup mirror here that I got for Christmas. If you watch our what's we got for Christmas haul, you will know what I'm talking about. It's really nice. And then the Naked Heat palette I also keep here because it's just like really pretty and it doesn't fit in there, so that's really just the only reason why. And then I keep my makeup brush is right next to that as well. So right here is my closet. Up here is my Forever Directioner wall decal because I'm forever a Directioner even though they broke up. I mean, honestly, you can tell by my shirt right now, One Direction. And then inside my closet, you know what? Funny story. Has to do kind of with the dresser type thing. My door handle fell off of this literally like over 5 years ago because me and Maddie were like 7. I don't even think we were in school at this point when it happened. Like, it was so long ago. We were in like kindergarten, 2nd grade. My handle fell off and literally my mom's like, oh yeah, keep that there because I will fix it for you. Like, just give me like a week or so. Fast forward to sophomore year of high school, still don't have a door handle on my door and I don't even know where it went. So anyway, so I have to like open it like this by like bending down. So inside my closet, a mess because I don't do laundry, so this is where my hampers end. Like, this is my hamper. It's gross. That's why I only have this many shirts hanging up in my closet because they're all in here. And the ones that aren't in here, I'm too lazy to put away, so they're in my pajama drawer. They're not supposed to be, but. So then I have all my clothes hanging up here. They used to be in color order, but I kind of got bored of that because I really hate putting away my clothes. Then down here is this basket of my American Girl dolls, which are probably breaking and like being disfigured because they have this really heavy bag of American Girl doll clothes on them, and then also my hamper like pushes into them and is like, they're probably all going to be like disfigured by the time I see them again. Then I have this Christmas blanket and I have my Harry Styles cut out. They put him away. This one I probably should keep him out again. Kind of miss seeing his face every time I wake up. So then up here I have this basket of stuffed animals, full to the brim, and then I have this bag of bags, more blankets, these Christmas decorations, all my One Direction calendars from over the years, and my school memories book. So then over here is my CD wall, and yeah, they're like, I did them like all just like by myself, just kind of like put them up there. They're not even at all, but it's okay, it's that counts. Can't even listen to them ever, but they're cute. Then over here my TV, it's really dusty. And my iHome, it's just ugly, but I use it all the time, so it's okay. And my box. And then over here my jewelry box. Well, it's not really a jewelry box, it's like a jewelry thing. And then some stuff right here for my hair that I don't like really have a place for it, so I just put it there. Then down here I have some bins. So this bin just has, actually I'll have a lot of random stuff in it. Like, this is, I couldn't even give you a category of what's inside of this. Then right here I have this jar with some bouncy balls in it from Target. If you watch our vlogs, you would know that I really wanted these bouncy balls. Kylie would want to get them, so Ben got them for me for Valentine's Day because they're so cute. And so I just keep them in there. Then I have my piggy bank, so I needed something else to put on the other side of this, so I just put my piggy bank that I got when I was like 10, and it's broken and I can't actually use it as a piggy bank, so. Then I have this box of tissues because I'm really ill, so I need that, and some pictures from Leanna's graduation party. So then this is like all my like, some of my Christmas decorations that didn't fit in my other Christmas decoration bin, and like my like technology stuff, so like chargers and like headphones and cases and my DS, well, it's actually Kylie's DS and stuff like that. So then in here, right here, I have some books. Then in here I have a bunch of random like hair stuff, face masks, nail stuff. Then over here I have some more books, and I have all my yearbooks right here. And I have some fake eyelashes from yesterday that I just didn't really know where to put them. And then I have, in here I have my extra makeup stuff that doesn't really fit with everything else. It's just like random stuff like makeup wipes and makeup bags, things like that. Then over here I have some CDs and every single Dance Recital DVD. And then last but not least, I have this bin full of Christmas decorations. And yeah, that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Click the subscribe button down below because we upload every Wednesday and Sunday. Peace, love, and ladybugs. Bye, guys.
Peace, love, and ladybugs.